Welcome back to the Muse and Greg. If you're in the market for a solar blanket, then you need to act today, because if you follow everything exactly in this video, you can get iTechWorld's 300 watt solar blanket for only $599 with free shipping. That's what you're usually going to pay for the 200 watt unit, and this is by far the best price I have ever seen for this product. Now, I've reviewed lots of solar blankets, including the 200 watt version of this product, but this 300 watt blanket is what I personally use these days when I go camping, and in fact it makes a couple of appearances in that comparison series. You'll usually pay about $800 for this product, which is why today's price of $599 with free shipping is so good. For reference, I usually get about 200 watts of usable power out of my 300 watt blanket when everything's plugged in, although some units like the one in the video seem to get over 250 watts. But even at 200 watts, the cost per watt is under $3 per watt, and this is by far the best power to dollar ratio of any blanket I've ever tested. Now, there are still other great blankets out there which I love apart from this unit, so if you don't like iTechWorld for whatever reason, please just move on. I don't care if you buy it or not. I'm just letting you guys know the product's on sale in case you're interested. So here are the instructions you have to follow to get it, and they're in the description too. You must follow all these steps exactly to get this deal, so don't try to jump ahead or you'll miss out. The public price is still showing $7.99 today, but if you follow these steps, it'll get discounted down to $5.99 in checkout, but only for today, so you must act quickly. Hope this helps power your next journey. Stay tuned for an upcoming review on iTechWorld's Bluetooth lithium batteries, but that's all for now, so I'll catch you next time.